Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use Claude for translation. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Whether you need to translate a short sentence or an entire paragraph, the process is quick, simple, and highly effective. To begin, open Claude either in your web browser or through the mobile app and sign into your account. Once you are inside the chat interface, you will see the message box where you can type your translation request. The next step is to write a clear and direct translation prompt. A prompt is simply the instruction you give to Claude. For example, you can type something like, "Translate this text into Spanish," followed by the sentence or paragraph you want translated. If you are translating between two specific languages, make sure to mention both clearly, such as, "Translate from French to English." The more precise your instructions are, the better the translation quality will be. Once your prompt is ready, press Enter or tap the Send button. Claude will immediately begin processing the request and generate the translated version directly in the chat. After receiving the translated text, take a moment to review important details such as names, locations, dates, and numerical information to ensure everything appears correctly. If you want adjustments, you can continue the conversation in the same chat instead of starting over. That's the complete workflow for using Claude as a translation assistant. And that's it. So that's basically how you can use Claude for translation. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.